Hi guys, it's Tiana Michelle. Welcome back. So today I will be doing a perm rod set for the first time ever. Yeah. By the time you guys see my blowout routine, it'll have been a week for y'all. So I blew my hair out and now I'm going to do a why did I say flexi rod set? Now I'm going to do a perm rod set on my hair. I'll be using the Design Essentials Almond and Avocado Curl Enhancing Mousse, so this foam wrap lotion for my product today. I got my parting comb so that I can go ahead and make me some sections, make sections. It's not going to be neat or anything like that. So it looks like I'm going to have 3 sections, so I'll clip this off to the side so none of these hairs get in the way. It's pretty rainy here, so my hair has reverted a little bit, a teensy weensy bit at the ends, so I'm going to brush it out, get it back stretched. And then after that, I'm gonna go in with a fine tooth comb to detangle it a little bit more. Make sure it's pretty smooth. I chose the worst time to want to try a new style. But again, I'm only gonna use a little bit. I don't need a lot at all. So this will probably be the smallest amount of product that you'll ever see me use because I am usually heavy-handed. Just gonna put some extra on my ends. And I feel like that's more than enough. And I'm just going to do what I've seen be done elsewhere and trying to keep the ends as tight as possible. I heard that you're supposed to keep the ends. Yeah, I heard that you're supposed to keep the ends super tight because you don't want them unraveling. That's like probably the most important part. And then I'm just gonna twist it up, I guess. Up and then do like that. And I guess I take this thing over to where it'll stay up. I think that's how it's supposed to be. Is it supposed to be tighter, y'all? Help me out. I hope that's okay, because I'm gonna move on to the next one now. Okay, so I am done installing the rods. Now I'm gonna go sit under my dryer for, I don't know how long it's gonna take. It can be anywhere from 30 minutes to an hour and a half. So I'm gonna sit under the dryer. I'll be sure to link it down in the description box, and then I will come back and take my hair down and show y'all the final results. Okay, y'all, I was about to start taking my hair down when I hadn't even pressed record. For whatever reason, I thought I pressed record, but I'm taking my hair down now. As you can see, I've already started. So I'm just gonna continue now. Picking more so to lift my roots. I'm not really trying to increase the volume. I just want my roots to be lifted so there aren't any parts showing. My hair is so soft and bouncy. Like, I can't believe this is my first time ever doing a perm rod set. I think it looks so nice. Be sure to leave a comment down below letting me know what you guys think about this hairstyle. And yeah, so that's pretty much it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up, and remember that your support helps me out so much more than you know, especially as a smaller and newer channel. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. I'm gonna leave it right up here for you, right here. And I will see you all next Friday. Bye.